Crafting clear and concise instructions for assessing idiomatic expressions. Hello, language learners and enthusiasts. Today we're delving deep into a critical aspect of teaching and evaluating English, specifically focusing on idiomatic expressions. Clear and concise instructions are key to effective assessment, and we'll be discussing how to design them. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's understand why we need clear instructions. When assessing understanding of idiomatic expressions, it's important for the learner to know exactly what's being asked of them. Instructions serve as a guide, leading learners through the process, ensuring they understand the task at hand and can demonstrate their knowledge effectively. Now, onto the meat of the matter. What makes instructions clear? 1. Simplicity. Keep your instructions simple and easy to understand. Avoid complex language. Remember, we are testing understanding of idioms, not comprehension of instructions. 2. Specificity. Be specific in what you are asking. For instance, if you want them to use an idiom in a sentence, specify that in the instructions. 3. Step-by-step approach. If the task has multiple parts, break it down. Sequential instructions help learners follow along easily. Conciseness goes hand in hand with clarity. The goal is to say as much as possible in as few words as necessary. Overly detailed instructions can confuse learners. Keep instructions direct and to the point. Now that we know what to do, let's see some examples of effective instructions. 1. Example 1. Use the idiom, break a leg, in a sentence. 2. Example 2. Explain what the idiom, kick the bucket, means. 3. Example 3. Match the idioms to their meanings. These examples illustrate the simplicity, specificity, and conciseness we discussed earlier. That wraps up our discussion on designing clear and concise instructions for assessing understanding of idiomatic expressions. Remember, the simpler and more direct your instructions, the better your students will perform. It's not about tricking students with confusing instructions, but guiding them to showcase their understanding. Thanks for joining us today, and happy teaching!